guys, it's Morgan. Today we'll be making a slime video. Today, I literally kind of just woke up like an hour ago. Well, not just woke up. But yeah, so today we'll be making slime. I don't want this to be a really long video, so I'm not going to really try to talk that much. But this is a slime I just made a little while ago. It's really cool. I really like it. It has a nice consistency. I'll just be placing that there. I think this is going to be a little bit of glitter slime. So let's get started. The ingredients you'll be needing is some glue. Elmer's school glue. I prefer just a little more money. You can use clear, gel, whatever. Not whatever. But baking soda, contact lens solution. Some antibacterial juicy pear hand soap, optional. And I'm going to be adding some tan paint because I actually really like this color in slime. So let's get started. So first you want to pour in your glue. Okay, that's good. Just the amount I just did. And today I'm going to be going to Best Buy and, oh no, I painted my phone. I'll probably be getting a tripod. So my videos will be really much better. Oh god, sorry, I just have paint done. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's better. That's how much glue I poured in. I'm going to be adding my paint. Sorry, it comes out really slow. Okay, now I'm going to be using this spoon to mix with. I don't want it to be too light. Yeah, I like that. There it is. Now I will be adding in some hand soap, 2 pumps. Okay, 3. I just don't want it to get too soapy because one time I did that, it got bubbly and it did not work. I'm going to show you right now once I mixed. Okay, now I'm going to be adding, well, I like adding glitter at the end, to be honest. Here it is. Yeah. Actually, I'll add some glitter, just so it looks cool. How cool that looks, guys. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, I'll turn it back around. Probably don't need to always announce that, but I want this to be called my glitter slime. So go big or go home, right? Here's it. I can't really describe the texture. It's kind of like sandy, but not that much. If you want to be more sandy, you need to add in quite a lot of glitter. Okay, so what am I forgetting? Yeah, some baking soda. Okay, there's that. Mix. Oh, sorry, completely blocking it. There we go. Sorry, it's so petty. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to be adding in some contact lens solution. Oh, it's also good. My dad's making breakfast. Makes the best breakfasts. He's a really good cook. Okay, so now I'm going to... This is like the tricky part. You want to add a little at a time, or else it'll get way too stiff and that'll just be a waste. See, it's already starting to form, kind of. I think I can make it a little more. That's better. It's already starting to form, as you can see. You know, now I'm getting all over my phone case. You know, I'll wash it later. So I only added a little, and it's already like kind of starting to form, to be honest. I'm going to add a little. That was kind of a lot, but I know. But you usually want to add a little at a time, or else it will get stiff. You guys probably already know this. And then, oh, by the way, this is called Activator. You can also use Staflo laundry detergent. That works really good too. So I think I've tried it. Yeah, I tried it a little while ago. But I recommend not using borax because it's not good for you. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I hear my dad say breakfast is ready, and I might say 1 minute because he's making it right now. Okay, 1 minute! Told you. That was like perfect timing, wasn't it? Okay. Oh my god, I think it's ready. It's ready. Okay, here. Okay, so here's my glitter slime. I really hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. That would really be awesome. And please comment down below what challenges you want me to do. Yeah. Have an awesome day. Bye. Thanks for watching.